Is your medical or aesthetic clinic website gathering dust instead of patients? You're not alone. A whopping 81% of patients search for healthcare providers online, but 99% of private clinic websites are missing the mark. Don't let your practice become another statistic. 75% of website visitors will judge your credibility by your website's design. In just 50 milliseconds. You have less than the blink of an eye to convince potential patients to trust you with their health. If your website isn't a magnet, they're going to be clicking away to your competition faster than you can prescribe a remedy. I used to be in the same boat, but 3 simple changes transformed my website into a patient-attracting machine. First, I learned to speak their language. That means ditching the medical jargon and focusing on patients' transformation. Instead of listing practice procedures, showcase how you relieve their pain, boost their confidence, or improve their quality of life. Make it easy to call. Plaster your phone number everywhere, especially with a click-to-call link for mobile users. 60% of them will contact you directly from search results. Build relationships with email. Offer a valuable newsletter to stay top of mind. Now these changes are huge, but there's a secret weapon most medical websites forget: videos. Why? Well, video keeps visitors engaged longer, signaling to Google that your site is valuable. Showcase your expertise and personality on video, and that builds trust before they even step into your clinic. Your website is the heart of your marketing engine. It feeds your content, which attracts potential patients. Your marketing efforts drive traffic. Your sales process converts them, and your support team keeps them happy. It all starts with a website that works. Do you want the full blueprint for a patient-generating website? I've compiled 12 essential elements into an easy-to-follow checklist. It's yours, free, plus you can grab my complete clinic success blueprint and transform your website from a liability into your most valuable asset. Don't let another day go by with a website that's costing you patience. Act now and watch your practice thrive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to make sure you get more tips on making your medical practice a success.